So we are here on deck 8299. This is our cabin for the next 4 fabulous days. And I will give you a tour of it. Let's go. Our decorations. Hi Xander, say hi. Xander just got out of the pool, or the whirlpool, and is a little bit hungry.
And someone gave us this.
Yes. Right at that door, right? When we came in. Standard cabin. Our mom's, Xander's grandmother's blanket comes with us every trip. Peekaboo. Here is, I didn't like this safe because you have to use your card with it. I rather have the one with the numbers, right? Lots and lots of closet space. This is one closet. This is the second closet. And this is the third closet. Bathroom, standard, nothing major. Hi. And that's enough for the room tour. Stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us. See you soon.